think I'm going to go low right in here. Do you feel that spot?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. So we have Christina here today. She is an actress and a dancer here in New York City. What do you want to work on?
Mostly my back and my neck.
Okay.
Is in the most pain.
Good. Is your neck hurt now or is it tight? So let's try something. We're going to have you face me this way. Hold your arm out to the side. Keep your arm firm while I push down. Okay, nice and strong. And tilt your head away from the side of pain and hold your arm strong. Now tilt towards the side of pain and keep your arm strong. Do you feel how it goes weak?
Yeah.
Good. So tilt away from pain. Keep your arm strong. She's strong. This woman is very strong. And then tilt towards the side of the pain, which closes down that opening and it makes it worse. So that means that, you know, it's just right on the edge of being irritated all the time. And then some days you really notice it and some days you don't notice it as much. But let's try to open up those, you know, that space a little bit and give it room. And then we'll see if it brings the power back into the arm. I'm going to have you lie on your back and your, your head will be right here. Face up. And scoot down quite a bit. And then that should do it. And then I'm going to lower the table a little bit. And we're going to do the pull first, okay? So I'm going to have you clear this past your earrings, okay? So put that on. And then maybe you should take your earrings off for protection.
No problem.
Give them to this, your personal bodyguard standing nearby.
Thank you.
Okay. Then the other thing I'd like you to do is sweep your hair away so that it doesn't catch your hair, okay? Then I'm gonna move this back just to the base of the back of the head. And then I'm gonna, I don't know, I have a pretty good grip like that. See if I need, I don't know if I need the chin strap. So take a breath in and blow it out. Big breath in.
Ooh, that felt great.
Did you feel any pops?
Yeah, a lot.
Where did you feel them?
Like the upper part of my neck, and like a little bit the bottom.
Okay. So stay there for a minute. I'm gonna have a kind of motion palpation into this area. Like right in there at C2. Good. Blow it out, big breath in and blow it out. And then this is the side that has more of the irritation. So again, I'm gonna just feel for the joint motion. I think I'm gonna go low right in here. Do you feel that spot? Got it. Good, so now I'm gonna have you come stand up. And so Rena can come this way and stand right here. And we're gonna put that arm back up again, okay? Keep your arm strong. And now tilt to the side of involvement. Keep your arm strong. Tilt away. Keep your arm strong. And one more time, come to the bad side. Keep your arm strong. Really strong.
Yeah.
Do you see? So we took some pressure off of that.
So much better. Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to have you lie face down. Put your nose right in there. What happens with your shoulders?
That's painful too.
Is it like, when you say your shoulders, do you mean the top part of your deltoids? Or do you mean,
right here.
Yeah. So scoot back towards me. And your legs look even, so we're going to leave that for a minute. Do you feel this up in here?
Yeah.
So right now I'm on the T2 rib. Right there is pretty painful too, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's do, and this side too, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a single hand adjustment. You feel that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to come around. I'm going to do this side too. That was even bigger.
Yeah.
So I just did those bilaterally. Here's a spot here in the middle. Nice. A whole bunch of them are going. Lie on your side, facing me this way, please. Crawl up, put your head up here. Pull the knee up like this. Let me hold your wrist and pulling you through. So we're gonna, may I lift your shirt like an inch?
Yeah.
So we're gonna come right to here to L5. It's already popping, did you hear it?
Yeah.
And let me get this paper out of the way. Big breath in, blow it out. Got it.
Oh.
That was a good one.
Okay.
Come back to the other side and move your hip closer to the edge. And I do that so your knee doesn't hit.
Okay.
Plus you have a lot of flexibility, so we want to be able to let you move as much as you need to. Another good one.
Yeah.
Nice. So lie on your back. You're just going to look at your legs too. Maybe come this way a little bit. Come sit on the edge of the table. So you're going to be kind of on this corner with one leg on this corner, one leg on that corner. And I just want to do a little bit more. So now you're going to put the back of your wrist together, shrug your shoulders up, and I'm going to reach around. You hear how that right one pops?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's big. So now put the wrists above your head, and no, that was it. It was just that right shoulder.
Yeah.
You made a big crack,
I
didn't
did.
it? So how do you feel?
I feel great.
Good.
So much better.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you.